When you have a friend, you do not become so close to them that you share with them information that no one is supposed to be knowing besides you. Because one day when you break up, they will really have too much of information about you. They will basically hold you at ransom. You need to know this. So therefore, it is a narration of the Prophet ﷺ. Some of the scholars say it may have stopped at the Sahaba, at the Sahabi. Some take it right to Muhammad ﷺ. However, it is brilliant advice. Stating that when you love someone, love them in moderation, which means you need to know the limits. You know, one day you may not be friends again. One day they may be your enemy. And the same applies when you dislike someone. You make sure that you dislike them in moderation. Don't do things that will create such a big embarrassment that the day you become friends, which is very possible for the Almighty, you will be embarrassed about what you did to them, or you will have hurt them a little bit much.